here.
That one doesn't just come out.
And it doesn't even click?
Yeah. This one's gotten better. I guess somebody tried because it was just dribbles.
It kind of is what it is at this point. It's gonna be close.
Oh. Okay.
Whatever we gotta do, we gotta do.
Yeah, this one's all chewed up around the edges.
Yeah, the other guys did that. They grinded that shit out.
The water line, you can really hear the humming, but you can still hear it if you put your ear here.
Did anybody look at the water meter to see if it's
Yes.
spinning? And it's spinning always?
That's, put your ear there.
Right here. There's a residue right there.
So that's it.
Yep, and on the other one, see it right there? The brown residue and the
So
water?
that's what it,
Yeah, there's a liquid right there, see it? No more glistening.
yeah, looks like it's okay.
Yeah, it's leaking from here, from the bolt. Revolution, the dance station.